Top 5 Trending Paper Towels on Amazon. Number 1. Scott Registered Trademark Multifold Paper Towels. Scott Registered Trademark Multifold Paper Towels provide an exceptional solution for maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in various settings. With a unit count of 1.0 and a generous sheet count of 4,000, this product offers long-lasting convenience and value. One of the standout features of these multifold paper towels is their superior absorbency. Whether it's spills, moisture, or general cleaning, these towels effectively soak up liquids, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning process. This absorbent quality sets them apart from other options in the market. Additionally, Scott Registered Trademark Multifold Paper Towels are made with environmental responsibility in mind. They are recyclable, making them a sustainable choice for eco-conscious individuals and organizations. By using these towels, you can contribute to a greener future while still achieving high levels of cleanliness. The one-ply rating of these towels ensures a balance.
Number 2. Soft Multifold Hand Towel. The Soft Multifold Hand Towel by Tork is a high-quality product that offers exceptional convenience and functionality. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, I can confidently say that this hand towel is a valuable addition to any setting. Featuring a unit count of 1504, the Tork Soft Multifold Hand Towel offers a generous supply that ensures long-lasting use. The 2-ply rating enhances its durability, ensuring that it can withstand regular use without tearing or falling apart. This is particularly important in environments with high foot traffic, such as offices, restaurants, and public restrooms. One of the standout features of this product is its impressive absorbency. The soft multifold hand towel quickly absorbs moisture, allowing users to dry their hands effectively and efficiently. This not only saves time, but also promotes good hand hygiene by ensuring hands are thoroughly dried. In terms of design, the Tork Soft Multifold.
Number 3. Fitz H2 Towel Dispensers. Fitz H2 Towel Dispensers is a product that lives up to its reputation of being a reliable and efficient solution for your dispensing needs. Manufactured by the renowned brand Tork, this product guarantees a superior user experience and optimum functionality. With a unit count of 3,024, the Fitz H2 towel dispensers ensure you have an ample supply of towels, reducing the frequency of refills and minimizing maintenance efforts. The sheet count of 3,024 further ensures long-lasting usage, making it suitable for high-traffic areas such as restrooms in commercial establishments. The 2-ply rating of the towels guarantees durability and strength. It ensures that the user can efficiently dry their hands with ease, while the multi-fold feature adds a touch of convenience. The towels can be easily dispensed one at a time, promoting hygiene and reducing wastage. One of the standout features of the Fitz H2 towel dispensers is its commitment.
Number 4. Tork PeakServe Continuous Paper Hand Towels. The Tork PeakServe Continuous Paper Hand Towels are a top-notch product that brings convenience and efficiency to any setting. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently state that this offering from Tork is a game-changer in the realm of paper hand towels. One notable aspect of these hand towels is the brand itself. Tork is a well-established and respected brand known for its commitment to quality and innovation. Their reputation for delivering reliable products makes them a trusted choice for consumers. The unit count of 3,240.0 count ensures that you won't have to worry about running out of hand towels anytime soon. This quantity is ideal for various environments, from busy commercial spaces to residential settings. Regardless of the application, Tork PeakServe has got you covered. The sheet count of 3,240 also emphasizes the long-lasting nature of these hand towels. Each sheet is designed to...
Number 5. Georgia Pacific Blue Ultra 8 inches. The Georgia Pacific Blue Ultra 8 is an exceptional product that is manufactured by the renowned brand, Georgia Pacific. With a unit count of 3.0, this product offers excellent value for money. It boasts a sheet count of 1150, which ensures that you have an ample supply of sheets that will last you for a long time. One of the standout features of the Georgia Pacific Blue Ultra 8 is its flexibility. Being one-ply, it provides the right balance of strength and softness. The flexibility of this product makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you need it for personal use at home or for commercial purposes in a high-traffic area, the Georgia Pacific Blue Ultra 8 delivers outstanding performance. The Georgia Pacific brand is well known for its commitment to quality, and the Blue Ultra 8 is no exception. Each sheet is carefully crafted to meet the highest standards, ensuring a consistently premium experience. The products